So hi friends, in this video after inter and after 12th class, so how many courses present, so what is the career guidance for MPC students. So generally normally MPC students after inter the courses are present general degree. So first of all we discuss the general degrees courses. General degree courses generally BSc general course, BSc degree, and in this BSc degree physics, maths, physics, chemistry present, and next course in general degree BSc computers. BSc computers means without any chemistry, only maths and physics and computer science. And next BSc stats, MSTCS course, this is only maths, mathematics theoretical part and problematic part present, only theoretical part. So next BSc electronics and BBA course, Bachelor of Business Administration. So this is a course when you come after completed the BBA, you must enter into a PG course MBA, and after MBA completed as a business magnate, as a business management officer, or other any field work, any jobs present in this area. And some more other course after inter. After inter, you must enter as you want as a primary teacher, so you must select a DED, Diploma in Elementary Education Teacher Training. This is 2 years teacher training course present. So I has become as a primary teacher. And when you complete your degree, BSc or BSc General or BSc Computers, BSc Stats and BSc Electronics, any subject you can complete it. After that you want as a bank employee, so IBPS entrance exam you must write. After that you will get a good bank job. And next BEd, so you want as a teacher, as a high school teacher, you must move to entrance exam BEd, Bachelor of Education. And next you want as a lecturer, so after completion of your degree you must enter in the PG entrance exam. So many entrance exams present and universities present in this PG courses according to related your degree subjects, as a maths or physics or chemistry or computer science, any courses. So and also MCA course, that is also one of the PG course present, 2 years course. And next PG, after PG complete you want as a professor in universities and engineering colleges, assistant professor or professor, you must enter into PhD. The PhD course is very essential and nowadays very important for India. So very little bit of PhD students present in our India. And next you want as a CA, after degree you must choose course CA, and directly you enter into any CA colleges as a CA chartered account in your life. And you want as a lawyer, you must choose as a law set. And you want to as a physical director PD, and PD entrance test. And next you want as a librarian BLIC course. And you want to IAS IPS, so you must entrance exam concentrate on civils. So each and every year our Indian government conducted UPPS civil service examinations every year. Next the main important every MPC student want to MCET entrance examination, and JEE and IIT and so many exams are present for engineering. First of all, after completion of the entrance MCET entrance examination, so how many courses present in MCET engineering courses? So civil engineering and electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, computer science and electronic and communication and biotechnology, electrical and electronics engineering and other engineering courses. So these types of so many engineering courses present when you entering engineering colleges. So first of all you must choose as your like interest, as a civil, as a electronic engineering or mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, computers engineering and electronic and communication and biotechnology and electrical and electronics engineering. So these types of engineering courses you must choose according to your interest. And so generally main basics, civil and electronic and computer science, aeronautical, mechanical, these are 5 engineering courses are very high level students should take. So this is our MPC students, and any other information present I will upload in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel through my phone number or my name. Okay, thank you.